Hi, and welcome to Three Questions With. Got my friend Jamie with us from JLS Accounting. Jamie, welcome to the show, my friend.
Thank you very much for having me.
So why don't we just start at the beginning? Give us a little overview of your business.
We are a full remote bookkeeping business. We do a little bit on the taxes side. We do some payroll, but we mainly focus on bookkeeping and helping small to medium-sized clients get themselves organized and pull all their data together so that they can file their taxes at the end of the year. So,
Jamie, to me, this is essential because one of the things I've learned running a networking group is a lot of my friends put off accounting. Just don't want to do it. And that's super dangerous to me, especially if you have cost involved where you're saying, hey, this is my hourly rate, but you haven't looked at it in 2 or 3 years. Costs have gone up and you think, oh, I have this level of profitability that you don't actually have. You must see that all the time.
I see that a lot when it comes from the trades. I definitely see it a lot everywhere, but I see it a lot when it comes from the trades in the construction avenue where we focus a lot of my business on. I love job costing. I love making sure that each project is actually gaining money or making money instead of them just hemorrhaging money left and right because they're deciding to spend more on supplies than they don't need to. And so I help guide my small businesses so that they understand exactly what it is that they're purchasing, when they're purchasing it, getting terms with their vendors instead of paying cash right off the bat, because that in itself helps you with your P&L and your cash flow. It makes it so that you have extra money, and so you're using somebody else's money. It's the biggest thing when it comes to accounting. Use somebody else's money to get yourself to grow. A lot of people get in this mindset where they don't want any debt. Oh, I don't want any debt. I'm just going to put it on my card, or I'm going to do my debit card, or I'm going to use my cash right away. But in order to make yourself a $100,000 company to a $500,000 to $1 million company, you have to be able to manage your money to be able to basically have terms with clients and have bills that are outstanding and know that, okay, money's coming in, you need to pay those things off. And so we work with our clients really closely on being able to teach them and train them how to do that and say, okay, let's not fall behind on this. Let's actually get this paid. Line of credits, credit cards, and bank accounts, they work hand in hand. You just need to know how to, I don't want to say the word manipulate, but you need to know how to be able to use it so that it works to your benefit.
Jamie, the flip side of that too is you have to bill on a timely basis and not be afraid to collect. Because I have a lot of friends, they wait till the end of the month to send out their invoices. I'm like, Jamie, you did that job on the first day of the month, so you just gave them a 30-day loan, and now they're going to take 30 or 60 days to pay it. And like you said, cash, the proverbial cash is king. Well, you just ran out of cash, Jamie, because you're taking too long to collect your money. You teach them that too?
I do. I actually teach them that. And I really should teach myself that because a lot of times you don't teach yourself the things that you're teaching your clients. In my business, we bill on a monthly basis, but it's a little bit different because we're a service business. And so I'm working on my client stuff on a monthly basis throughout the whole month. And so it's so much easier to bill at the end of the month than where do you cut it off? When you're in a service company, where do you cut it off? Do you cut it off when you first initially get on the job and you do your first thing, halfway through it, or when you just finish the job? So it really depends on the type of company that you are and what you're trying to do for your clients. In the construction world, a lot of my clients do a third, and a third, where they have a contract of $10,000 and yep, you're going to pay a certain amount. As soon as you sign on the dotted line, you're going to pay a certain amount. Halfway through it, you're going to pay another certain amount. And then at the completion of it and everything is all done and you've done your walkthrough, you're going to pay the end. So it really depends on how they are and how they're set up, but we do try to make it so that you're billing on a constant basis, just because if you don't have that cash coming in, you don't have the money to be able to spend. And then you're just stuck in this cycle of it's just not working. And so payroll and all of that stuff that you need to get done, it can't get met if you're not billing all the time.
Absolutely. So Jamie, how can people reach out to you? How can they learn more, my friend?
They can reach out to me by calling me at 978-888-4559. That also is a texting number, so you can text me on that. Or you can reach me at Jaime at JLS Accounting, and that is spelled Jaime at JLS Accounting, all spelled out, .com.
Jaime, appreciate taking a few minutes to jump on the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.